I'm Joe Tigay. This is Volatility 411. Big pop in volatility this morning. The VIX is up over 16 and a half as I'm recording this video. On the heels of the start of tech earnings, we had Google and Tesla reporting overnight. Not so good results, especially from Tesla. The market's punishing Google on their modest, actually even good results, but maybe the market's looking at valuations for Google and saying it's going to be hard to justify seeing those levels. Maybe the economy is not as strong to justify those levels. We'll wait and see how that plays out, obviously. Now, ahead of these earnings, we've seen a great rotation out of semiconductors, out of tech stocks, out of some of the largest winners year to date, like the Magnificent Seven, into some small cap and some value stocks, into some utility names. A very defensive rotation. Now, there was a thought process that said, hey, this is great. We're getting some market breadth. The rally is widening out. The flip side, of course, is this was very defensive. People were taking some money off the table off of the growth stocks, which for me as a bull, I would love to see the growth stocks leading. That's a sign of a growing, expanding economy. This could be just a sign of the economy slowing down. We're going to get some more GDP data later this week. We're going to get some jobs data next week. Remember, the jobs market has been softening a little bit lately. That's a first sign of the economy slowing down. Again, this all happens when the Fed decides to lower rates. The Fed is going to be lowering rates at least by September, maybe sooner, probably at September again. And the market knows historically when the Fed does lower rates, it's usually because the economy is slowing down. There was some optimism this year. Maybe this time was different. Maybe the Fed's lowering rates just because inflation has come down and the economy won't slow down as much because government spending has been so high. Again, the data is going to tell the picture. If the economy does slow down, stocks will likely slow down also. I'm Joe Tigay. This is Volatility 411.